Busanfo, welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and turn on the notification. And we try to give him a lot of space near there. But yeah, and I'm there. Yeah, engine detail, yeah, MP will on to see a bit do that before no home to off. Because the MP not on Yare or your branch or one. This is bad. Was it Obi me? Me a real law school, me be a law firm. Me classy law firm. Oh,
Nina Obre from 2020 primary party no call to so call contest nakasa in the general election and Sembebre Emma party lusuye one give up. So for 4 good years. I just seat. How many months after the election?
Oh, 6 months.
6 months after election, Obi.
After 8 years of struggle.
That is it. It will be baby say or branding in ano. Ecosystem. Kodana akukushias ye. Ecosystem. It is so unfortunate. So we say or brankasa within the body, the physical stress no one. Emotionally, financially,
the resources, Charlie,
Nina, aqua waste to
the resources.
Asa ecosystem. 1 year crumple. Want to be a new seat no so 6 months. 6 months, but it is war.
Matisa the constituency, Akwetia constituency. Chairman or Tisu Sisi, a friend of Nana Yao Ado. Nana Yao Ado. Na the previous chairman ayo Taibo ni din pare fe no Alhaji Baba Yunkuru
Debia obechia no
Debia ochia e na no yoko Akwedi am ka Ernest ene de mehu Alhaji Baba Yunkuru oh Nana ya wado akwa na te say
meje so obi
boko de
obi
Nana me ba to radio be o mane nko form kakra ma me why
oh,
okay, and the monyum ne mame. Why?
Yeah.
My bank nkran ha na. Anafe na moba.
Obi, yeah, my name is Constituency Secretary. Any constituency first vice chairman. I feel na yes, constituency. You do motorway so. Yeah, call Lashibi for now. Oh, the last time I would say. MP in Canada, bay. Obi, na you sure you say your first vice chairman, but warranty or your so quarter cardinal for some time now, no. The man leave Kakra because of the law school exams are now all chop. As we speak, you are planning your thank you tour. Also, we winning elections, you know, because of court issues, you know. You see me and Koda and Funyaman for nothing. They are planning a thank you tour. Think your court delegate conference in the bar. Yeah, the best settled. Initially, and then they started thank you tour. Because court in 7 minutes, instead of very, very effective or constituency. But I feel I'm Abua in a way, no, you tell me, I resolve the court like a can, we wanted to start. Until we were expecting, and then Kiabetan and no, you're telling car, wait to Miamba or sending to Cate, the infant supportive program. And opinion in Kiabetan and can show the way forward. Made your catch and pet or mute to be and you name all your we try to give him a lot of space near there. But yeah, and I'm to see there. Yeah, engine detail your MP will on to see a bit do that before no home to off. Because the MP not on Yare or your branch or one thing, and him say you be one. Now we say be any car queen here. The MP for a catch a constituency for say, Omuye the Brena Fre, Omu Person to Kaba, to be untrained, you drew only a new one. And so every day, I may have there. Apart from saying a chairman, or I am Mimia, a chin which is free. And see, I'll come papa menana. Any warrior, me and me drew on them in body now, and I made Jedina. I'm ready. May funny to be a Mimiano. We are done, I'm sorry.
And the same feeling amongst other executives on your motorcar and Munina.
Me constituency secretary there. On the control him. As first vice and the air driver. But you do one man, the Syrian. It came as a surprise to all of us, but being done during the Ernest, you know, and best or any activities, but media meeting, they make me a car.
Chairman, yenya mumudru hwa ye besen yedi nkomobio. Why? This thing is terrible. This is really, really, really terrible.
Hey. Tieno anu no.
Ernest ya okumi.
Oku.
We constituency one and say ni.
Yeah, akwetia constituency. We akwetia ni. Yeah, we akwetia. We akwetia. But me uza na me nko akwetia da. Nipo ade me ko akwetia first Ernest ya okumi. But anytime ye ko bia no, ono a driving tie tene car mu ne yekọ. In the fa akwetia na ewura mu akosi ni krom wenchi. Na ya da ho. Ansa na ye beko baabi a yako. Oh, hwemami. Chese. Ready.
Monko se memeti ni suo.
Oh.
Meti ni suo. Monko se.
Ne one very close friend in so our parliament here, Honorable Collins Adomako Mensa.
Okay.
Yeah, and Honorable Oteminka.
Yeah, Obi, but from Tonka.
Terrible news. Terrible news.
If Obi Katem said, I'll be speaking about Ernest in the past tense. And coming in.
Asempa FM.
Terrible. I'm praying.
Sempa. Was away Akwetia constituency party office.
Oh.
Video we want free.
Video we fi Akwetia constituency. Yes. In the party office and him and
MPP office on.
Amanfo esu. Yes. Inti yebeda Akwetia TV ase. The Akwetia TV na AyEka video ya yensu yenya ye de atonti ma.
Man kura bi dey frey to madada.
O mo frey to madada na say the
array o chise o jai so nye yi.
Oh.
Unko se o. Unko se.
Akwetia.
Mashrade.
Oh, takrade, and mostly a takrade on the otaye hostie.
Say the last time I could
say Obi, he spent the whole of yesterday with me in my house.
Oh.
He took off around 3 p.m. to Accra after we had lunch together at the usual place where we sit when you are around. He was with his former MC. I cannot stop weeping. My wife is totally devastated. Chairman Basti Kafra. What a world, Obi. I am completely